Now you saw various things in this video. We are watching our school now, the front side of the school. Today I am teaching you one chapter from economics. Chapter 2, sectors of the Indian economy. These are the various sectors which are coming in any economy. Various occupations are there. People engage in different activities. These activities we are going to cover up in this chapter. There are three sectors in an economy: primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector or service sector. What are primary sector? Primary sector is otherwise called as agricultural sector. All those activities which are related with nature or soil are called as primary sector or agricultural sector. It is called as primary because all the other sectors are based on primary sector, or the production in any other sector is using the raw material from primary. It is the first production in any economy. Primary sector. What all things are coming under primary sector? Farming, fishing, hunting, mining, quarrying, animal husbandry, and forestry. These are the activities which are coming under primary sector or agricultural sector. So all those activities which are related with nature or soil, and they are providing the raw material to other sectors for their production. That is the reason why it is called as primary sector. In our country, majority of the people, around 60% of our country population, directly or indirectly depend upon the primary sector, primary activities. Mining, quarrying. When the marble is in the form of a rock, it is coming under primary. Once it is converted into a slab of marble which we can put in as a tile, which is coming under secondary. This is the main difference between primary and a secondary. Secondary sector. Secondary sector is otherwise called as manufacturing sector or production from the raw material of primary. Sugarcane converted into sugar. Cotton converted into clothes. Here the raw material from the primary used, and by the help of manufacturing they are converted into a finished product which we can use. This sector is called as secondary sector or manufacturing sector. Here the production is the production from the raw material with the help of machinery, with the help of human hands, in the factories or in the industrial areas or at the homes, they do the production. So this sector is called as secondary sector or manufacturing sector. Now the third sector, what is that? Tertiary sector or service sector. Giving service, that is the speciality of tertiary sector. Teachers, we are teaching, this is a service. Banking, accounting jobs, clerical jobs, transportation, communication. These are the activities which are coming under tertiary sector. You can see one thing, here there is no production. Invisible production is not there. Visible production is not there. Only invisible production is there. Production is invisible here. We are not able to see the production of a teacher. We are not able to see the production of a doctor. They are providing their service, making a house, a road, transportation, communication. In all these cases, you are able to see this speciality. This is the difference from primary and secondary to tertiary. In the primary and secondary, you are able to see the actual production. The production is visible in that cases. But in the case of tertiary, you are not able to see any visible production. Now I am doing the part of tertiary sector, service. I am imparting my knowledge to you. While you are getting any disease, you are going to a doctor. Doctor is giving some prescriptions to you, some medicines to you, and you are getting cured from that disease. Similarly, if you are going to office, you are getting some accounting works, completing some paperworks. There also there is no production. So tertiary sector is otherwise called as service sector. So these are the three sectors of an economy, especially in Indian economy. First one, agricultural or primary sector. Second one, secondary or manufacturing sector. Third one, tertiary sector or service sector.